All right, we're going to talk a little bit about one of the problems from Math Excel. This is from the 7.6 homework. I think it's number 9. So this is the identity we gave you for tangent. It was tangent of theta over 2. This is the half angle for tangent. It's equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 minus cosine theta over 1 plus cosine theta. There are also two other variations of this identity, and Math Excel uses one of them. I just want to show you what the variations are and kind of how you can use those. So I took the original half angle identity and I simply multiplied the numerator and denominator by the conjugate. And on the top one, if we multiply this by the conjugate, we wind up getting the square root of 1 minus cosine squared theta over 1 plus cosine theta. Notice the square root kind of gets rid of the squared there. And in the top, this is the square root of sine squared over 1 plus cosine theta, or simply sine theta over 1 plus cosine theta. For the second variation, and this is the first one, for the second variation, we just multiplied by the other conjugate, which is 1 minus cosine theta. For the second one, we multiplied by the other conjugate. And this is going to wind up giving us 1 minus cosine theta in the numerator. And the square root of 1 minus cosine squared theta in the denominator. And we know 1 minus cosine squared from our Pythagorean identity is sine squared. And so this becomes 1 minus cosine theta over sine of theta. So these are the three variations for the half angle identity for tangent. Please make sure you have these somewhere in your notes because you'll be able to use them on your Math Excel test coming up early next week.